In the mid-1800s, the United States was growing fast. Settlers, dreamers, and fortune seekers were moving westward in search of new lives. But there was one massive problem. The vast land between the East and West was rugged, dangerous, and slow to cross. It could take 6 months by wagon or weeks by ship around South America to travel coast to coast. The nation needed a bold solution. That solution was the Transcontinental Railroad, a project so ambitious it seemed impossible. In 1862, during the presidency of Abraham Lincoln, Congress approved the plan. 2 companies would take on the challenge: the Union Pacific, starting from Nebraska heading west, and the Central Pacific, beginning in California and pushing east. The work was brutal. Thousands of workers labored day and night. Irish immigrants and Civil War veterans built tracks across the Great Plains for Union Pacific, while Chinese immigrants blasted tunnels through the Sierra Nevada mountains for Central Pacific. The dangers were countless: freezing winters, scorching summers, rock slides, explosions, and attacks from outlaws. Many workers lost their lives, but they pressed on, driven by determination and hope. At last, on May 10, 1869, the 2 rail lines met at Promontory Summit, Utah. A golden spike was hammered into place, marking the completion of the first railroad to span the continent. For the first time, people could travel from coast to coast in just 1 week. Goods, ideas, and cultures flowed more freely than ever before. The Transcontinental Railroad didn't just shrink distances. It transformed America into a truly connected nation. It helped the economy boom, expanded trade, and turned small towns into bustling cities. But it also came with costs. Native American lands were disrupted, and many workers' sacrifices were forgotten. Still, the railroad stands as one of the greatest engineering achievements in U.S. history, a steel ribbon that tied the nation together. Like and subscribe for more amazing stories from history.